I know most of us wonder what is data science and also realize that there are a lot of misconceptions and myths about data science. So let's today break those myths and see what actually it means. Data science is combination of primarily three fields. One, computer science, two, statistics or mathematics, and finally how to solve business problem with the previous two tools. I know this may sound too simple, but this is all we need to know about data science. Now for the execution of data science, there is a framework or methodology which is known as data analytics. Let's deep dive in detail and see how data analytics framework functions. This framework has 5 steps. Number 1, data collection. This is the first step where we start and collect the data. Second step is data manipulation or cleaning of data. I'm sure we have heard of garbage in, garbage out. Hence, in second step, we clean the data, which is formally also known as manipulation of data. Third step is exploratory analytics. In this step, we explore what does data contain, maybe number of columns, number of rows, and data types like number or strings. In the fourth step, which is predictive analytics, this is where all the magic happens. With the help of models, we try to predict what can eventually come out of the data. And finally, we convert those predictions and our observation into business solution, and this will help us to improve continuously. Each of these steps are very exhaustive and very sophisticated, but learning data science will help us in many industries like gaming, for community services like we have heard of COVID data. It helps in education industry, financial intelligence, and many more. So let's start our journey and launch ourselves into the world of data science and become more informed with all the data around us. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more and thank you for watching.